You've got $100 in just 10 trades. No second chances, no I will think about it later, just you, the market, and every decision. Most traders in this situation start guessing, trading on emotions, and later wonder why it didn't work. Today is day 2 of the open challenge, $100, 10 trades, maximum results. No demos, no fancy edits, just a real account, real risk, and a systematic approach. MACD, 30-second time frame, discipline in every click. But the most interesting part isn't here. It's inside the community. There are already more than 100,000 people on Telegram, and that's not just a number. These are real traders trading live with me on stream, getting MACD entry signals in real time, copying the system and sharing their wins in chat, posting mistakes, learning from each other, growing together, no magic strategies, no fluff, just what works. Finding setups, clear explanations, and daily practice. If you want more than motivation, if you want growth, hit the link in description or pin comment. This is where the real action is. Join us. So the time frame 30 seconds, Japanese candles here. MACD with default settings just made the lines a bit bolder, marked nearby support and resistance levels, and turned off all distractions. Only the charts and trade sounds left. Fixed amount per trade, no martingale, no doubling down here. So ready? Let's go. The first trade is Great British Pound and United States dollar. Looks very calm, but it's clearly building up for a move. MACD is almost crossing. Candles are getting tighter. Classic pre-move setup here. And we're waiting for this candle to close to confirm the impulse. And signal confirmed. I go long. Trade is running. Watching if price holds the breakout. And perfect start. MACD and the level work together exactly what you want in the first trade. Okay, our second trade is United States dollar and Japanese yen is under pressure today. MACD steady below zero. Waiting for a red candle to confirm. There is the move. Impulse confirmed. And I go short. We are watching. The trend is holding. Everything going to plan. Solid trade here, MACD push down, candle confirmed. The third trade is Euro and Swiss franc. It's ranging, but MACD starts opening upward. I wait, need to be sure price won't fake the breakout here. Green candle forming and I go long. Now watching if price can hold above. Breakout from consolidation, clean signal, waited and caught the move. Well, the fourth trade is Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Looks very weak, MACD pointing slightly down but no real impulse. I know it's not ideal, but I take the shot. And we are shorting and watching price moves against me, but I hold until the end. This is lost. This is real trading. Signal was too weak. Good reminder not to skip filters even during a challenge. Our fifth trade is Euro USD breaking resistance. MACD clearly going up here. And we're waiting for candle to close above the level. Perfect confirmation is there. And I go long here. Watching. Price holds. Beautiful breakout, MACD and candle lined up, clean trade. The sixth trade is United States dollar and Canadian dollar, slowly pressing toward resistance, MACD opening up. Wait a few more seconds, there is the impulse, and I go long. Trade open, staying calm, signal is solid. That setup was a gift. Everything aligned perfectly. The seventh trade is Great British Pound and Japanese yen. Testing support. MACD starting to turn up, waiting for confirmation. Got a green candle. Now I go long here. watching. The market supports the move. Another win. Level and MACD work together perfectly. 8th trade, Euro and GBP. Is very slow. MACD slightly blending down. Market is hesitant, but I take the entry, testing the moment. We are shorting here and watching price quickly goes against me, unfortunately. Yeah, weak signal, another reminder not to trade just because it might work. United States dollar and Swiss franc still trending down, MACD well below zero. We are waiting for candle confirmation, and there it is. Shorting here, and trend open. Price moves my way. And yeah, perfect trend continuation. These trades bring peace of mind. And the last trade for today is Australian dollar and United States dollar shows a clean bullish impulse. MACD already crossed up, and we are waiting for a candle to confirm trend. And yes, confirmation is there. I go long here. Trade open. Final wait. And great finish. Confident signal, clean profit. That's the next 10 trades. Yes, there were losses, but they reminded me the challenge isn't about guessing. It's about discipline and sticking to the system. Today we pushed the account forward again and proved that even with a small balance, you can trade professionally. If you want to take trades like this with me, join Telegram channel. My daily entry points, live trading streams, student trade breakdowns, honest discussions about what actually works, link in the description and pinned comment. See you in Telegram and in the next video.